Would you want to start an online side hustle, but you don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll be sharing with you one of the best ways to start making money online as a beginner. Have you ever imagined compiling a simple book in your house and every single month this book is generating you money? It sounds great, right? Well, that is possible with Amazon KDP. And the best part is that you don't need to have prior experience to start. And unlike other online side hustles, KDP does not need your presence to earn you money. Your book can be making you money while you go about your other daily activities. And the juicy part is that Amazon will be in charge of almost everything, including advertising, printing, shipping to customers, and even doing customer service for you. All you just need to do is to focus on creating books and you'll be making money every single month. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel, more often than not, I talk about different ways to make money online. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell as you get notified each time I upload a new video on different ways to make money online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So now let's continue with the video. Whether you're a beginner on Amazon KDP or you have been using Amazon KDP for a while now, but you are looking for a profitable niche high in demand to publish in order to increase your sales and increase your monthly earning, this video is for you. Try to watch to the end. I'll be showing you a profitable niche that ordinary publisher like you and I are creating and making above $1,000 every single month. And I'll also be showing you a random KDP user who is making above $1,000 every single month, and that you can create this book and you don't need prior experience to create this book. I'll be showing you that in this video. So the profitable niche we'll be talking about in this video is called dot-to-dot activity book. This type of book is made up of images where the user draws line connecting these images with set of numbers, and once these numbers are perfectly connected, the image reveals itself. This type of book is very profitable, high in demand with low competition. There is something I always do to confirm that a niche is profitable, high in demand. I will base my search on 3 factors. 1, I'll be searching if this niche will give me a search result of 1,000 or less. It will tell me that there is competition on this niche, but the competition is very minimal and that people are searching for this niche. That would tell me that my book have chance of being sold as a beginner. Many people have not written on this particular niche. Second factor is bestseller rank. I'll be searching for 2 or 3 books on the first page of Amazon Kindle store that will give me bestseller rank of 300 and below to tell me that there is demand for this book and that people are actually buying it. And the third factor is that I'll be looking for a niche score of 50 and above. So now, with that being said, let's dive into the video. I'll be showing you using my system. In searching to confirm if the niche I'm about to publish is profitable and has potential of giving me up to 1,000 USD every single month, I'll be using Titan Quick View to do my analysis to confirm if this niche is profitable. This platform helps me in my niche search. It gives you the exact search results compared to Amazon, searching through Amazon website directly. It also gives you a number of books that are independently published and several other information, bestseller rank, and so many other information. It will give you the details. So I use it in doing my analysis. Now, I'm searching for a dot-to-dot activity book. So from the search results, like I said earlier, I'll be basing my analysis on 3 factors: search results of 1,000 or less, and niche score 50 and above, then bestseller rank of 300,000 or below. So for my first factor, this did not satisfy my first factor, which is 1,000 or less. This is way too much. This is 54,000. The search result is given, meaning that there is high competition on this particular niche, that if I publish it as a beginner, I might not likely record sales, because there are a lot of big authors who have written on this particular title or niche. So what I will do is to also check other factors. The second factor I'll be checking is I'll be checking about 3 books on the first page of Kindle store to see if they have bestseller rank of 300 or below. So I will check this. This is I'll be checking for books that are independently published. This is independently published, and the bestseller rank is 17,118, which is within the number I am looking for. This is not independently published, so I won't be considering this. This is not independent published. I'll be looking for more books that can satisfy that factor. This is not independent. This is independently published, still within the number I'm looking for. This is 158,000 bestseller rank. Okay, this is independently published and is within the number I am searching for, which is 62. So you can see ordinary publishers are writing on this niche, and they are from the bestseller rank. You can tell there is demand for this particular niche, but because my first factor is not yet satisfied, I'm going to do what is called niche down. I'm going to niche this down to find a market for myself. I've already done that, so I'll be searching for dot-to-dot book for seniors. So as you can see, the search result has reduced. The total search result here is 709. That means there is not too much competition here. So if I write on this book, if I publish this book, I have a chance of having my book on the first page of Amazon Kindle store. So it has already satisfied my first factor. The other factor, a niche score of 50 and above. As you can see, the niche factor is 71. So it satisfied the second factor. Now, to confirm that this book makes up to 1,000 and above every single month, that is very profitable, it has potentials, and you can sell if you publish this book. I'll be checking 1 or 2 of this book on the first page of Amazon KDP, so that are independently published. So I'll be checking this. I will be using the bestseller rank to calculate how much this person is making every month. So the bestseller rank is 51,977, and the price is $6.9. Okay, this is 51,977. So I've already calculated. It's giving from 4 to 7 copies every day, 120 to 210 every month. So let's calculate 200 with $6.9 every month. Let's see, 6.99 times 200 on average. We're giving like 1,398. So this publisher is making up to 1,398 every single month. Let's check another person. This is just to confirm that this book is actually profitable. This is also independently published. This is 67, bestseller rank of 6677. Estimated, still up to 210 every month. Let's calculate the price of $8.99 $8.99 multiplied by 200 on average, you begin $1,798 every single month. So you can see from this analysis that this is profitable and is beginners friendly. Like, you don't need to have experience to create this book. It satisfied all the factors I used in analyzing it to show that this niche is very much profitable and has potential of giving you sales up to 1K every single month. That will be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to create this book. And if you have any question regarding the video, you can drop it also in the comment section. Thank you.